Hi guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to join the strongest Battlegrounds Discord server. In order to do this, you will have a lot of ways. The first way is simply navigating to www.roblox.com, then searching for the strongest Battleground server in the search area. After that, you will be on this page. On this page, scroll down and click on the social links community server. When you click on it, you will be automatically navigated to this page where you'll have to just click on accept invite and you will successfully have joined the strongest Battleground server on Discord. Now, another way to do this is simply navigate to your Discord application or log into Discord on web. After you log in and open your Discord, click on add a server button at the bottom left corner. When you click on add a server, you will see this page. On this page, select join a server button. Now, in the invite links, type in Yielding Arts. Type in Yielding Arts and click on Join Server. This will automatically join the strongest Battleground server on Discord. Now click on View the Rules and make sure you get yourself familiarized with the rules. But first of all, you will have to click on the Verify option at the bottom. Now click on Verify with Blocks link button. Now select this link, go to this page, verify yourself by signing in with Discord and you'll be successfully able to get a complete overview of the strongest Battlegrounds server. So that's the simple way you can join the strongest Battlegrounds Discord server. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and hit that notification bell. And I will see you in the next video.